Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys on this 2017 Outback how to remove this belt molding. I've taken this guy off already. Show you guys what we're working with. See the little tab right here? You push it like so underneath here. So basically, getting underneath here, maybe a plastic type of a deal so you don't scratch the paint. Just get underneath here and just literally just lift up. As long as you catch this clip, it'll pop right out because it goes right back in, just like that. The same goes for here. Same deal. If this panel is in all the way, just get underneath here and just give it a little nudge like this. This molding will pop off very simply. I don't have the plastic tool, but if you just gotta get underneath here and just push up on it. I don't want to ruin the paint. This is the wrong tool. Don't use this. Use something plastic, some type of panel popper that's plastic, so you don't ruin your paint. But that's how you remove and reinstall a front belt molding on a 2017 Outback. And I think it's the same from 15 to 19. It all should be the same. Alrighty.